amazing to be in the kitchen with you guys today. It is fantastic. I do love you so much, and that's why I want to give you this recipe. I know you guys are going to love this because it's just an amazing, you know, I'm always giving you different kind of recipes, you know it. I give you some of the most beautiful recipe for you guys to make at home. I'm always have to give back something to you because guys, you love me so much and I love you too. And you know what I mean, I give you juice, I give you meat free Monday and all different kind of healthy recipe for you to work with at home to look after yourself. Every night we do normally do a healthy tea recipe, so stay tuned in with this beautiful and an amazing healthy tea recipe we've been doing every other night. We do high blood pressure, you name it. So do not miss this one, and just remember also we are here to fill some of the gap with you guys. So if you missed the videos, remember the video right there, you guys can watch and stay tuned in with Chef Ricardo. Thank you so much for all of that beautiful love, and now this is what we're gonna do. We're gonna deliver on an amazing recipe to you for you to make at home. So stay tuned in and let's do this together. Beautiful natural home remedy. Yeah. So just gonna show you how to do this healthy recipe this evening in the kitchen with Chef Ricardo Cooking. All right, guys. I'm not gonna be too long. It's gonna be one of those simple little recipe. I'm already got my, what you call it, pot on to make this cup of tea in the afternoon because the weather, to be honest, is very cold. It's like a detox tea. All right, but I need to use some of my favorite recipe with this detox tea. All right, so we want to put a few cloves inside of the water like this. We have 1 cup of water in the pot. All right, so also we got some lemon. We're gonna put these lemon inside of the water like that. Lemon is a must, you know what I mean. Gonna put a few more slices in the pot like that. That's the lemon. Beautiful, Chef Ricardo, you don't know it already. All right, also we have some parsley which we already washed off. I'm gonna put that into the water also. Cucumber, we're gonna put a few slices of cucumber into the water. All right, here it is, beautiful one. Now the cucumber is amazing, guys. You can use so many cucumber for a lot of things. Me personally, I do like the cucumber. I don't know about you guys, but me personally, I love cucumber, so I'm always using cucumber for a lot of things at home. So we're gonna get some ginger, some fresh ginger. I'm already wash off the gingers. Yeah. So this is some fresh ginger, which I'm already washed off. All right, roughly about a teaspoon of fresh ginger. Look at that, amazing. right. And also some celery. We're using 3 celery sticks in this beautiful drink this evening. Yeah, look at that. Excellent. All right. So that is really good and an amazing. And I know you guys can do the same thing at home. Yeah. With all of these natural ingredients. Look at that. Beautiful, isn't it? Detoxing up the body and also promote a good weight loss. Beautiful one with all of that natural ingredients. So the water which I'm using did boil already, so I just put the ingredients into it. So as I said, the water boiled, so I just put the ingredients into it to dry it. That means you don't have to worry about boiling. Look at that, guys. Amazing. It's good to have something warm, and you can have it also, you can blend it if you like to blend it, but I'm having it warm. All right. Excellent. That is a beautiful recipe. If you are looking for something to try at home, then I will encourage you to try this at home, guys. It's beautiful. Very, very beautiful. Yeah. So beautiful. So we're just waiting for it to just, you know what I mean, jar. We're not boiling it. Okay. Yeah. Remember also, you guys can also get yourself a copy. All right. Remember, you can get yourself a copy of the book From Poverty to Purpose. It's available on Amazon, 50% off from Chef Ricardo. It's all about me. All right. Yeah, man. Yeah. A lot of people hear me talking about the apps, which is an which I've been talking about, how you can use the apps and take a picture of your food. Fastic apps. It's amazing apps. I will put it in the description. It's on my code. You guys can use that also. Go over, download the apps, and the apps is for free. All right. Yeah, man. Download the apps, the guys. It's very, very good. I've been using the apps for a few days, few weeks now, about days, and trust me, it's amazing apps, which I want to encourage you guys to download the apps. Download the apps for free. The link will be down in the description there, and get yourself that apps. Look at that, guys. Amazing. So all the apps, I can take a picture of everything right as well, and it's good for you to manage your high blood pressure, your diabetic, your cholesterol, and all of these things. If you want to lose weight, then that's the apps you need to get. Honestly, that's the apps you need to get to use at home. Yeah. Excellent. So that's looking really amazing and fantastic. Tell me what, leave your comments, guys, and tell me exactly what do you think about an amazing drink. So that is boiling. All right, I don't want it to over boil and mess up the whole place, as you guys can see. Look at that. All right, that's how it look. Everything is cooking out into it now. So we're gonna turn off the cooker. That is excellent. Excellent one. In the Friday afternoon. Alright, let's take this off to eat. Take it off I eat, Chef Ricardo. You have to take that off I eat, guys. Yeah, man. You have to take that off I eat. Too many eat. Alright, then what we're gonna do, pour it off. Look at that. That's proper, you know, guys. Yeah, man. Proper. Look at all of that. You know what I mean? We got the cucumber. We got the cucumber, the lemon, the cloves, ginger, lime, lemon. You know what I mean? All of that natural ingredients right here. Excellent. Alright. I'm gonna pour out. So this is what you wanna drink right now. You might have said to yourself, wow, that's how it look? Yeah. Yeah, man. Yeah, that's the way it looks. So I'm gonna get some of my favorite and put it back inside of that right here. Okay, don't use no sweetener or honey. You want to drink it naturally as it is. All right, yeah. So I'm gonna put these ingredients into it just like that. Beautiful. Look at that, guys. Excellent. Drink this first thing in the morning or in the evening. 100%. All right, guys. Yeah, man. 100%. Right there. But look at that. Excellent. That is amazing and lovely and delicious. So definitely.
Sunshine, smile on my face. Got the pot on the stove to embrace. Spices dancing in the breeze. Cooking magic with such ease. Jerk chicken sizzling loud. Drawing in the hungry crowd. Iron flavors in the air. Chef Ricardo's secret flair. Let's gather around the fire tonight. Taste the rhythm, pure delight. Every dish a work of art. Feel the love in every part.